So guys, so I just came back from work, and you see, that is boy. I just touching my body. You see, look what you did to your dad. Yeah, yeah. He was crawling when I came, and then he just rushed and met me. You know, the joy of a father is when you see your son, coming to welcome you when you are back home. That's one of the best joy of a father, right? Thank you, my dear son. Daddy loves you. No matter how your body is dirty, Daddy will always carry you because you're my blood. All right? Look here. So I want to do. Good boy. Can you hear that is echoing because of this governance pan? Yeah, my dear son. I'm dote, so that's some dote, same dote. What are you showing me? What's that? There's no bed though. All the beds have gone to eat. Look, some of them they are far away from there. They are far away from this place, yeah? Alright, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 Are you shy? Don't be shy, oh. Me as your dad, I'm not shy on the camera, so why are you shy? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You know, anytime I said he will know that I'm pointing something somewhere. But this is my I'm not pointing anything. Daddy, did you miss me? Yeah, hug daddy. Hug daddy, hug daddy. Hug daddy. Hug daddy. Love you, boy. You're the best. God bless you. Bye-bye.